Hi, I am Ambarish and today we will do the unboxing and review of a very special coin. Today we will look at the brand new 2021 2 pound face value of 1 troy ounce and 999 fineness silver Britannia coin by Royal Mint, United Kingdom. This is the first video review of this new coin on YouTube from India. Without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, this is the packet which we have received. This packet has been delivered to me by Royal Mail, as you can see. Now let's just open the packet and see what we find inside. Alright, so as you can see, we have received the invoice as well as the product in this packet. Let me keep the invoice separate, and here it is. Wow, as you can see, this has been delivered to me in a plastic packet. Let me remove it from the packet. Wow, let me take it a close view. The details on this coin is pretty amazing. Now as you can see, this is the obverse or front side of the coin, which has the interpretation of Britannia, a feminine personification of the United Kingdom. It was designed by Philip Nathan in 1987, and you can see his name is mentioned right at the bottom. Let me try to zoom in. So his name is mentioned here. Now just to give you a brief history about Britannia bullion coins, these were first launched in 1987 for gold variant, and the silver variant was launched in 1997 by the Royal Mint. Britannia silver coins contain 1 troy ounce of silver with a fineness of 999, as you can see here, it is mentioned there, and it has a face value of 2 British pounds. Now let's try to see what all the new features which we can see in this recent coin, and which are different from the old Britannia coins. This coin has 4 unique security features. Now let me walk you through the security features of this new 2021 Britannia silver bullion coin. The first one is the micro text near the rim. I'm not sure whether the camera is able to capture the information, but near the rim of the coin, the micro text is mentioned in the banding, which states Ducus et Tritamen, which means an ornament and a safeguard. Now this has been printed here all over the coin's inner circle, right here. And the second security feature is available here. So if you look at from one angle, it shows as a trident, and if you look at from another angle, it shows as a padlock. So this is very difficult to duplicate, and this makes this coin very secure. The third unique security feature which this coin is having is there is a surface animation in the background of Britannia, which if you tilt the coin in different angles, it shows like a wave pattern. So it represents the sea. If we look at the shield of Britannia, it bears the 4th unique feature of this coin, which has tinctured lines which were not available in the previous generation of Britannia coins. Now these 4 features make this coin very secure, among the most secure bullion coins you can buy in the world right now, and they are very beautiful to look at as well. The coin has reeded edges as you can see, they are similar to the edges of previous generation Britannia coins. Now let's take a look at the reverse side of the coin. The reverse side of this new Britannia coin has the same portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, which was designed by Jody Clark in 2015, and due to this his initials JC is mentioned just below the portrait here. The coin also has mentions of £2, that is the face value of this coin. This is a legal tender, and this helps people in United Kingdom avail the benefit of capital gain tax, and this becomes a very good investment option for them. The finishing of this coin is very nice. Now let's check the weight of this coin. This is supposed to weigh 1 troy ounces, that is 31.1 grams, and it shows 31.19 grams. In the end, I believe this coin deserves to be added to any coin collector or bullion collector's collection, and the amount of technology, the amount of precision involved in designing the die which has been used to cast this coin is very amazing. And since it is having all these security features, it's very secure investment as well, so you can be sure that this is the real coin, and I expect that this is going to appreciate in value over the time, because this is the first of the series which has all these security design features. And if you really want to appreciate the details of this coin, it's very difficult to show on camera or from images or videos unless until you are seeing it in person. If you have any questions related to this coin or want me to review some other bullion coin, please let me know in the comments section below. I have placed the link of the Royal Mint in the description box from where you can order this coin, and yes, Royal Mint has a delivery option for India as well. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and share it with your friends and family. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates about new contents uploaded by me. This is Ambarish, and thank you for watching.